Guys, it's Brandi and I'm coming to you with a do-it-yourself. Yes, I have finished decorating for Christmas. I know I'm a little on the late side. It's December 17th, but this is the first chance I've had to actually accomplish decorating. And if you see, I started off with my nutcrackers that I used in my 12 Days of Christmas contest from my YouTube channel. And I got these from Home Goods, Home Depot, and the Dollar Tree. And they're super cute. And let me show you my finished product here. And this is my tree. Yay, I'm finished. Finally. It took me only 2 hours to get this together, but I am quite pleased as punch that I finally finished decorating my Christmas tree. And if you guys can see, I have some more nutcrackers here. 3-foot tall ones that I got from CVS. The tree I got from Home Depot. Decorations from Home Depot. Dollar Tree. Big Lots. Kmart going out of business. And I'm quite pleased. Now if you guys are looking for some really good bargains to decorate your tree with, I would suggest going to Big Lots. They have a ton of Christmas decorations and they are all really cute. And you can clean up after Christmas and get some for like 90 cents a buck. Start you a new look for your Christmas theme for 2019. But I'm quite pleased with my Christmas decorations. I want to see how this guy's look. I'm going over by the light, you guys, and see how my tree looks with the lights off. Yeah, it's really cute. And somebody's trying to get me on Facebook, but let's finish. Really cute with the lights off. I like it. So if you guys can see, it took me a while, but the end product when you do it yourself, it's this. So I just wanted to share you guys that I finished decorating my Christmas tree. You can do it yourself as well. A little time and effort and come out with a fabulous tree like this. Like I said, get to some of those decorations at some of those stores at the end of the year. Save them up. Voila. So happy holidays. Merry Christmas. And I will see you guys with another video on YouTube. So looking forward to a Christmas gala theme. So if you're going out on the town, I'm going to have something for you. And a New Year. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. All right, I'll see you guys then. Thanks for watching.